Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a crucial accessory for anyone utilizing the Elmo TT-02s document camera, the BestCH USB cable data PC cord. This isn't just any cable. It's designed to be the reliable link between your Elmo TT-02s and your PC or laptop, ensuring seamless data transfer for video conferencing and capturing high-quality digital images. The primary function of this BestCH cable is to facilitate that essential connection. Imagine you're in a crucial video conference and you need to share documents or objects clearly through your Elmo TT-02s. A stable and efficient data cord is paramount, and this USB 2 cable aims to deliver just that. It features a standard USB Type-B connector, making it compatible with a wide range of devices, including, of course, your document camera, but also many printers, making it a versatile addition to your tech arsenal. One aspect that truly stands out, reflecting the brand's commitment to user peace of mind, is the emphasis on safety and consistency. While typically associated with power adapters, the mention of features like overload cutoff, over-voltage cutoff, automatic thermal cutoff, and short-circuit protection, along with voltage consistency, speaks volumes about BestCH's dedication to safeguarding your valuable electronic products. It suggests that when you choose a BestCH product, you're investing in a component designed with the longevity and protection of your devices in mind, ensuring they are shielded from potential electrical mishaps. This commitment to safety helps prevent destruction and ensures a stable operating environment for your connected gear. The cable's design also hints at a robust build. The outdoor computer special feature, while a bit broad, suggests a certain level of durability or reliability that makes it suitable for various environments, whether you're setting up a mobile workstation or simply need a dependable connection in a busy office. It's about providing a consistent and uninterrupted data flow, which is critical for professional applications like video conferencing or detailed image capture. It's always important to double-check compatibility, and the brand itself advises users to ensure the brand and model are consistent with the title to avoid purchasing the wrong cable. For the Elmo TT-02s, this BestCH USB cable is specifically tailored to meet its connectivity needs, providing that direct and secure data pathway. So, if you're looking to enhance your video conferencing setup or streamline your digital imaging workflow with your Elmo TT-02s, this BestCH USB data PC cord presents itself as a highly dependable and safety-conscious choice. It's more than just a cable. It's a vital component for maintaining a smooth and protected digital connection.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.